Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taboo Foodies. Today we are making almond biscuits. Made with whole wheat and almond flour, these biscuits are easy to make. Crunchy on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside. With no added sugar, they are just perfect to enjoy with your chai and coffee. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll make almond flour. Add some almonds to a blender and pulse them into a fine powder. We need about 1/3 cup of flour, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Once done, keep it aside. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, add 3 tablespoons of softened butter or ghee. 1/4 cup sweetener of your choice. Jaggery, cane sugar or sugar substitute like stevia, monk fruit, anything will work. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. And now we'll give it a good whisk. Next, add 1/3 cup almond flour that we prepared earlier. 3/4 cup whole wheat flour. 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Give it a good whisk one more time. Now add about 2 tablespoons of water and bring everything together into a dough. Keep this dough in the fridge to chill for half an hour. Now on a rolling board, spread a parchment paper. Place the chilled cookie dough, cover, and roll it out into a rectangle. Now with the help of a knife, smoothen the edges. Sprinkle some chopped almonds. Cover and gently roll again so they stick to the dough. Smoothen the edges again. And cut it into equal sized squares. Transfer them to a tray. And bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or till the biscuits turn crisp and golden. And the almond biscuits are ready. Let them cool completely. These biscuits taste amazing with chai. Made with simple ingredients, they are wholesome, delicious, and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never tried homemade almond biscuits, which are healthy and easy to make, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.